Hello, today we have a Razer laptop for disassembly. I have to replace the thermal paste. The model is Acer Blade Pro 17 inch. I haven't opened this model before, so let's start. I think we have to remove the back cover and we should have access to the board. We're gonna remove all the screws and hopefully we can get to the board. The screws should be the same size. Yeah. Now the first thing, we have to disconnect the battery. Now since we disconnect the battery, we have to remove the fan, and all these screws probably are holding the board. As you can see, we have plenty of dust. So let's start. We're gonna disconnect. This is probably cable for the camera, I guess. The fan is held by two screws. Yeah, we have to disconnect it and just lift it like this. Wow, I don't know, can you see, but this thing is really nasty. Now we're gonna disconnect the other cable on this side, which I think is the LCD cable. We we have to disconnect the cables for the Wi-Fi also, since they're going around the fan, and we have two screws here also, which we have to remove. We have to disconnect this fan, and yeah, here the situation is the same. A really big piece. As you can see, we have a lot. Now we have to remove the screws here, which are holding the cooler. We have one more here. I think we have to remove it also. Now we have to somehow remove all these things. Just start by moving a little bit left to right in order to get loose. It's a little bit tricky. Have to be careful not to damage something. And we got it. We're gonna use some alcohol. In order to clean the GPU and the CPU. We're gonna do the same with the cooler. The paste is very dry. We'll replace this thermal pad because it's bad. Now I'll stop the video for a second just to power on the vacuum cleaner, and when I'm gonna clean all this dust, so we'll be right back. Now we did clean the fans, we cleaned the laptop a little bit, so we have to put a new thermal pad. I have spare ones here, so let me just cut a piece. I think it's about 1 millimeter, but even if you put a thicker one it won't be a problem because this part here is not that critical. So we're gonna put it like this. We're gonna put Arctic MX2 paste. You have to be careful not to put too much, because next time when we have to clean it, it will be very messy. And now we have to put back the cooler. Just be careful. Move it a little bit left to right in order to spread the paste evenly. And now we have to put all the screws back. We're gonna put them just in order to position the cooler, and after that we're gonna tie it properly. And now we have to put back the fan. First one. We have to plug it, of course. Like this. And now we have to put the cable back. The second fan. We're gonna put the Wi-Fi cables and the LCD cable like this. Be careful with the Wi-Fi, it's fragile. Also, don't forget to tie the hinges. Now we have to plug in the battery. And just let me clean that a little bit. And we have to put the cover back. Oh, we just forgot to plug the second fan. So, like I said, always double check. That's the boring part. You can skip it if you like. Now let's check. Do we have a picture? Or we have to plug in the charger? Yeah. We have a picture. Now I'll close the lid just because there's some information. That's it. I hope you liked the video. Bye bye for now.